Hi friends, the world celebrates milestones, followers, promotions, launches, and awards. But very few people seem to witness the quiet days, the days when nothing seems to move, the day when doubts get loud, the day when you start thinking, is any of this is worth it? And that is where character is built. Can you stay loyal to your vision before it becomes visible? Can you honor your word when no one is checking? Can you continue planting seeds in seasons that look empty? Because, friends, applause is temporary and integrity is permanent. So, today, me, Shilpa Govekar, founder of Remana, in Zen Hustle episode number 6, would love to talk on why staying committed in invisible seasons is one of the greatest form of emotional strength, and why lately I'm telling myself commitment is my greatest ethics. So let's be honest, we stay in a world that rewards visible outcomes: salary hikes, business growth, viral reels, awards, public recognition, and there is nothing wrong with celebrating achievements. The problem begins when applause becomes your fuel, when external validation becomes the only reason you continue. Social media has intensified this. Now people wait for external validation. Now people expect instant proof. We have become deeply uncomfortable with slow growth, and real growth is painfully unsexy. Nobody claps for showing up consistently, learning from failures, practicing quietly, building discipline, healing patterns, being patient. Yet these are the exact things that create meaningful success. There is a beautiful Zen story. A young monk went to his master. He told his master, "Master, I have been meditating for weeks now. I get up early. I am very disciplined. I practice sincerely, but nothing is happening. I don't see any enlightenment, any breakthrough, no signs of growth. It feels pointless." The master smiled and told the monk, "What happens when you plant a bamboo in the first year?" The monk said, "Nothing. Second year, nothing. Third year, not much. But after few years, the bamboo shoot starts growing, and within few weeks it grows up to nearly 80 feet high." So when the bamboo is not growing in those years, the bamboo is spreading its roots down, and that's what exactly is happening. What happens is you are trying to see the visible results outside, but enlightenment starts within. And honestly, isn't that our problem too? We trust promotions, we trust followers, we trust applause, we trust visible proof. But what about the quiet consistency? What about the silent growth within? What about the character building? We underestimate all of it. And because we cannot see the roots forming, we feel nothing is happening. Friends, your invisible season works the same way. Maybe your business isn't growing yet. Maybe your content isn't reaching a lot of people yet. Maybe your healing journey feels repetitive. Maybe your career feels stagnant. But invisible does not mean useless. Sometimes life is strengthening the roots before giving you results. Always remember, visibility without internal strength usually destroys people. We have seen overnight fame destroying people, sudden wealth destroying people, fast success creating anxiety. Why? That is because external expansion happened before the internal capacity was built. Invisible seasons protect you. Most of the time, we all feel motivated but not committed. Now, let us see what is the difference between motivation and commitment. Motivation is emotional and commitment is ethical. Motivation says, "I will do this when I feel inspired." Commitment says, "No matter what it is, I will keep doing it." Motivation fluctuates, commitment stabilizes. Motivation loves excitement, commitment survives boredom. Motivation starts, commitment finishes. And mature people stop worshipping motivation. They build systems, rituals, habits, and inner discipline. Ask yourself, if nobody applauded your journey for the next 2 years, will you still choose it? Powerful question, isn't it? Then create private metrics. Did I show up today? Did I improve? Did I learn? Did I honor my values? Friends, your private victories matter a lot. Celebrate consistency, celebrate your commitment, not just outcome. Most people quit in chapter 3 and compare themselves with someone else who is in chapter 20. Your timeline is not late, it is being built. And sometimes life really tests. Do you really want this or do you only want applause? That distinction changes everything. So, friends, commitment is my ethics. I show up because I said I would. I stay because it matters to me. I continue because my dreams need consistency, not just excitement. And if your journey feels invisible now, just keep moving. Silent seasons often build loud futures. So let's take a oath today. This is not something I do when convenient. This is a promise I made to myself. The world may or may not notice. The results might come quickly or slowly. People may doubt me, support me, or forget about me. But there is one thing that remains in my control, and that is my commitment. Not because success is guaranteed, not because applause is coming, not because someone is watching, but because I give my word to myself. And somewhere along this journey, I realized that commitment is not my strategy, it is my ethics. So I will stay committed when nobody is clapping. So, me, Shilpa Govekar, founder of Raymana, signing off from the sixth episode of Zen Hustle. Friends, if you have liked it, please like, comment, share with your friends, and do keep coming on this channel. You will get beautiful videos like this.